Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to log into your Tinder account. Before starting today's tutorial, do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to log into your Tinder account, first of all, tap open Tinder app on your phone. Here on the home page, you can see three options to log into your Tinder account. Either log in with your Google, your Facebook, or your phone number. Or if you have trouble logging in, tap on trouble logging in. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Tinder account using your Gmail address. So tap on first option. Here you can see a list of email addresses saved to devices. Tap on the Gmail address of your Tinder. You are now being logged in. You have now logged into your Tinder account. I hope this video helped you learn how to log into your Tinder account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.